Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI trading bot platform, which is Autosnipe AI and BullX. So to get started, Autosnipe AI is primarily focused on hyper-speed sniping of new token launches, aiming to get you into a coin in milliseconds right as it goes live. This specialized tool is designed for the most aggressive trader who believe that being first is paramount for capturing a significant early gains. Leveraging automation and AI to execute buys fast than manual traders. However, it's crucial to note that user feedback often highlights the very high commission deduction and the significant inherent risk of trading new meme coins, with a portability being rare for smaller gains. BullX, on the other hand, offer a more comprehensive multi-chain trading platform with an emphasis on social trading and smart money insight, while it also provides ultra-fast transaction indexing for quick entries. A strength lies in features like bump vision for tracking trending token and multi-wallet management, and also tools to identify and potentially copy successful traders. BullX aims to provide a broader set of analytics and strategy tools for meme coin traders, combining speed with data-driven decisions making and a community-centric approach. Ultimately, if your strategy is purely about being the absolutely fastest to snipe new launches, Autosnipe AI is built for that singular purpose. But if you prefer a more rounded platform with social insight and a broader trading functionalities for meme coin, BullX might be a better fit. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.